as a life of a seafarer.
Alright, so mga katats, good morning, and ito na po, tayo ay papasok na. Umpisa naman ang ating araw sa ating buhay river cruise. So good morning and happy Sunday mga katats. So time check is 6:20. Yeah. So ito po yung restaurant. So yan mga katats, ang breakfast setup po natin. Set up na po ng buffet setup. Selection of omelette, we have cheese, tomato, mushroom, spinach, bell pepper, onion, bacon, and ham, and shredded cheese again.
Wow!
Then selection for the hot for the day, we have roasted potato, English bacon, bacon, scrambled egg, sauteed mushroom, sauteed onion, zucchini, baked beans, and chicken sausage and pork sausage. That's for the buffet. Hot buffet selection. Salmon, smoked salmon selection. Cheese, whole cuts and cheese. Selection of yogurt, pork yogurt, and plain yogurt. And then we have a selection of fruits for today. We have pineapple, watermelon, cantaloupe, and orange, plum, and then pear. So ayan, mayroon tayong break na 15 minutes for our breakfast mga katats. So ito breakfast natin ngayon ay ang boiled eggs, chicken sausage, sauteed zucchini. So mayroon tayong masarap na kape dyan. Alright, so breakfast time. Alright, so yung mga katats, mga friends and followers, so operation po tayo ng lunch operation na po kami. So nagwi-waiting po kami ng guests na darating para sa kanilang lunch. Ayan. So full setup na kami ng mesa plus namin, naka-ready na lahat-lahat. May wine na rin dito. Ang wine, reds, saka white, house white and house red. So sa po ang aming lunch operation, so mesa plus for dinner na tayo mga katats. So yan mga katats, before we start our dinner, we have a menu briefing every night. So these are the menu for tonight. Yeah? So we have soup, we have salad, cold appetizer, vegetarian, and then turkey, and then sardorado, apple crumble, and dessert. Alright. Good afternoon mga katats. Ito, folding napkin muna kami bago mag-start yung open ng restaurant for dinner, 7 o'clock. Alright, so yan mga katats, finish na aming dinner operation. Mag-mission plus kami para sa aming breakfast. At saka side job. Ang side job ko po ay hover. Shout kay Jay. Jay, shout out. Alright, so yan mga katas ang aming mission plus for breakfast tomorrow. So ito po ang aming mission plus for breakfast tomorrow mga katas. Alright, idol, nag-ano na kami ng menu namin para sa dinner tomorrow. Ito po ang buffet. Plus for buffet.